I just received this alarm clock from Amazon today. It's a very simple box. Let's open it up. There is the charging cable. This is a gift from the seller, I think. It's very useful tools. And this is the user manual. Yes, let's take a look at the alarm clock. Very simple. It has the aluminum base with the rubber bottom to keep it safe and firm in place. Let's charge it. Oh, and also there's the battery place there. So I think it's to keep the time going when it's unplugged. So you can, I think this is a light button, so you can change the light. And also the color. There are, I think, 6 colors that you can switch. And this one is for, to turn on and turn off the time light. These two are to control the volume. This one is so you can change the music. Let's try it. Oh, and option number 7, I think, is the radio. Yeah. The one in the middle is the nap button. So if it wakes you up and you want to take a nap, just press it.